Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to SuprPwrUsr. My name is Stanley and welcome to subscriber video number 1. I just kind of wanted to take some time and talk to you guys about how things were going for the last few months and a look ahead for the next several months. And since this channel has been around for almost exactly 6 months, I kind of wanted to go through the stats, show you guys what a brand new YouTube channel looks like in terms of viewership, subscriber count, just to give you an idea of basically what that's like. So stay tuned. So a little bit about me. I am an engineer and I like building things. I like to understand how things work. And I like everything tech, basically everything from gadgets to computers to Apple products. I like it all. And naturally, some of the earliest YouTube channels that I followed includes Tiny Tom Logan, also known as Overclock 3D now, who specializes in computer hardware, builds, water cooling, whatever. And also Singularity Computers, very high-end water cooling mega builds. Also, some of the more mainstream tech YouTubers, Jay's 2 Cents, Linus Tech Tips, Big Wit, Paul's Hardware. I like to follow them all. And, I thought to myself, well, I've been building computers for almost 2 decades now, and, I can build really, really high-end stuff, water cooling, all that stuff. So I figured I might as well give back to the community a little bit, share my knowledge, and, just launch my own YouTube channel. And that's kind of what I basically did 6 months ago, back in February of this year, 2019. I just thought, hey, why not? I see how this thing goes. So here we are 6 months later. I'm still here, still making videos. Haven't been making too many computer tech videos, but that's something I want to do a lot more in the near future. But since we're right at the 6-month point, I kind of wanted to just take a look at the stats and show you guys what a 6-month YouTube channel kind of looks like. So let's go to the computer. All right, so I am logged into my YouTube channel now, and as you can see, I have currently 784 subscribers. And that's actually pretty impressive for just, in my opinion, just for a brand new YouTube channel. And as you can see here, I've got only 28 videos. My first video was actually published on March 6th, 2019. A lot of these videos really just focus in on hardware reviews, tech reviews, me really talking about my experiences with a lot of just the stuff I own around the house. Now, you'll notice that the last 3 videos that I've got focuses in on the Apple credit card. I actually ended up getting a early invite on the Apple credit card and put a couple videos out on that, and before it was available for everyone to apply. And clearly those 3 videos have the most amount of views because I guess the interest was pretty high about them. The Apple credit card isn't exactly tech, but being an Apple product and being on the phone, that kind of was kind of interesting for me because it was cutting edge, so to speak. Anyway, if you look at analytics here, I currently have almost 75,000 views in the last 28 days. And if I go back to, let's say, 90 days? No, 365 days. You'll see that my first video came out in March of 2019, put out a few views, but you can see here, these views, and I think this is probably on a per day basis. Yeah, that's right. Over the first 2-3 months, I only got maybe a handful of views, under 100 views a day. And even as early as, let's say, August which is about a month ago. Before the last 3 videos, I was doing only 200-300 views a day, and that's considering I've put out maybe 25 videos. So you can see, basically, the growth is really, really slow, or it's just, you just gotta put out these videos and just, keep on uploading. And it really wasn't until, again, the 3 Apple videos where you can see here, I was doing several thousand views a day. And after the hype, of the Apple Card came out and now is out, you can see here the viewership has dropped off a lot as well. The normal subscriber count is probably 1 or 2 a day, and it really wasn't until you can see here 2, 1, 0. I guess I lost a subscriber that day. Anyway, it wasn't until the last 3 videos where subscriber count went up, and by top total views, again, the 3 videos. If we take a look at the top videos for the last 48 hours, ignoring those 3, apparently the SanDisk Extreme review was a pretty popular one. My very first video about this table, or the build of this table, that was pretty popular, and the Shure Bluetooth cable and the earbuds, the 846 earbuds, that was pretty popular. So it looks like mainstream tech is pretty popular in terms of video viewership, which really isn't a surprise. So in terms of monetization, YouTube requires 4,000 hours of video watch time within the last 12 months, along with 1,000 subscribers. If you want to talk about watch time over my lifetime being less than 12 months here, I currently have 389,000 minutes watched. So 89,000 minutes divided by 60 translates to about 6,400 hours, or almost 6,500 hours. So clearly more than the 4,000 required. Now, I currently only have 784 subscribers. So about a couple hundred short of that 1,000. So once hit that 1,000 threshold, I'll be able to monetize the videos, and we'll see what kind of revenue we'll generate. I'm only guessing maybe just a couple dollars a day, because again, video viewership and throughput really isn't that high for this YouTube channel, but that can probably be expected, being such a new channel and kind of niche. I'm just trying to dig out my little corner in YouTube right now, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's kind of just a wrap up of basically how a brand new YouTube channel looks like. So switching gears, looking ahead for the next 4 to 6 months, there's a handful of big product launches that I'm really, really, really interested in. Of course, in a couple weeks, we're going to get the brand new iPhones, the iPhone 11s, along with, most likely, we're going to be getting a titanium Apple Watch or ceramic Apple Watch, new product launches. I haven't decided which one I want. I'll probably have to see it and feel it, and play around with it. But I do know I'm going to be updating my Apple Watch along with the iPhone. Also, later this year, we're going to get brand new MacBook Pros, most likely a 16-inch MacBook Pro. So I'll probably be selling this and grabbing that as well. And also in Q4 of 2019 this year, both Intel and AMD are going to be putting out their high-end HEDT CPU processors. I'm really keen to see what kind of performance differences between the new Threadrippers and the Intel CPUs. Anyway, so basically what I'm trying to say is I'm probably going to be updating the desktop I got behind me and doing a full water-cooled build, over-the-top water-cooled build, so stay tuned for that. And along with the update of the desktop, I'm going to be most likely updating my monitor as well, I haven't decided if I want to go ultra wide, 21 by 9, I think that's the ultra wide. So LG has the LG something something. I'm not even gonna bother try to remember the name of the monitor, but it's a 38-inch 21 by 9 high refresh rate monitor, IPS monitor, or stick with the current form factor 32-inch 32-inch 4K high refresh rate monitor. I haven't decided. We'll just have to see what comes out first. I really do want to stick with either G-Sync or FreeSync. The tear reduction is really, really nice. This is currently a G-Sync 32-inch 4K monitor, but it's capped at 60 hertz. I really want to go to that higher refresh rate, either the 144 hertz or the 175 hertz. Basically, whatever I can get on the on the monitor. So I'll be really interested in that, and keen to see once that comes out. So basically, I'm going to have a handful of hardware review, videos coming out later this year, and especially a build video. I really want to do more computer build videos, but since these computer build videos, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. These computer build videos get really expensive, and I have to have a reason to build a computer, right? And it's not like I can afford to build a computer just because I want to build one and upload it to YouTube, right? Unless, of course, I get sponsored for some reason somehow, but I don't expect that to happen in a long time. So, well, just make do what I've got, right? So anyway, yeah, just kind of wanted to talk to you guys. The next video I'm going to be putting out is probably going to be more, oh, you know what? The next video I'm going to be putting out is a full look, in-depth look at my build right here. Because I'm going to be, tearing this down and rebuilding it in the near future, I kind of wanted to document it all. So look out for that. And yeah, we'll catch you in that one. So SuprPwrUsr out.